Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome back to our English class. I am Teacher Dipti. I hope you are reading good books and eating healthy food. Before we could start with today's work, let us check the answers of the homework given to you in our previous class held on 30th July 2020. Write the antonyms of found. Children, what is the antonym of found? Yes, lost. Finished? Yes. Started? Disallowed? Yes, allowed. Few? Yes, many. Very good. Now, let's do a quick recap of Module 1. In our Module 1, we got to know how was Sindbad. He was an honest, generous and a brave sailor who lived in Baghdad. Baghdad is located in the Arab country called Iraq. It is the capital of Iraq. He overcame great dangers and returned home safely from each of his voyages. Children, we had also started reading the story of his first voyage, where we saw that while they were sailing, they spotted a small island and the captain of the ship allowed them to go on the island. There they strolled around, sang and danced. Some began to wash clothes and some started cooking meals. So now let's see what happens next. So today, children, we are going to do second passage of this lesson from textbook, page number 6. Soon a breeze sprang up, till textbook page number 7. Alone at sea. Soon a breeze sprang up. The fires began to blaze. Suddenly, the land began to shake and move. With the shock, the picnic party realized that the island was not the island at all. They were on the back of a huge sea monster, and it had started moving. Sprang up means developed or began to blow suddenly. Blaze means burn strongly. While they all were enjoying on the island, suddenly the breeze sprang up and the land began to shake. Very soon they realized that they were not on the island, but on the back of a huge sea monster. Most of its body was under the water. When the monster felt heat on its back because of the fire, it started moving. People began to scream. They left their pots and pans, their clothes, both washed and unwashed, rushed back to the ship. The captain ordered his men to set sail immediately in order to move away from the monster. When they realized that they are on the back of a huge sea monster, they began to scream. They all started running towards the ship, leaving all their clothes and pots and pans. The captain too ordered his men to set sail away from the monster. The sea monster plunged deep into the sea. Many of the people managed to climb aboard the ship, but many sank into the sea with the so-called island. Sindbad alone did not drown in the sea, but he could not reach the ship. Plunged means to jump or dive into something quickly. The sea monster jumped into the sea. Many people managed to climb on the ship, yet many drowned in the sea. Sindbad was unable to reach the ship, but he did not drown. He saw it sailing far, far away. He was now at the mercy of the waves, being tossed here and there. He clung to a piece of wood and somehow managed to keep afloat. He spent the night alone at sea. Mercy means to be in control of someone. Tossed means throw something somewhere lightly. Afloat means to float. For the whole night he clung to a piece of wood and managed to keep afloat. In our next class, we will see how Sindbad will overcome this difficulty. Now, let's move to our activity part. Synonyms. Today we are going to start with synonyms. Children, you all know what are antonyms. Antonyms are the opposite words, right? But synonym is a word that means exactly or nearly the same. For example, beautiful, pretty. Children, both the words are different, but the meaning is exactly or nearly the same. Let's see one more example. Happy, joyful. The words are different, but the meaning is exactly or nearly the same. Now children, let's read the given lines and find out the synonym for commanded. Let's start reading. The captain ordered his men to set sail immediately in order to move away from the monster. Children, which word has exactly or nearly the same meaning like commanded? Yes, ordered. Now again let's read the sentence and find out synonym for floating. He clung to a piece of wood and somehow managed to keep afloat. He spent the night alone at sea. What is the synonym of floating, children? Yes, afloat. Now let's move to homophones. Find out the homophones for there. Come on children, from your textbook find out the homophone for there. Yes, it's there. T-H-E-I-R, there. Find out the homophone for peace. Yes, peace. P-I-E-C-E, peace. Next, use the letters from the following word and make new and meaningful words. The word is immediately. Children, let's make new and meaningful words from the given word. M-A-I-L, mail. D-A-T-E, date. D-I-E-T, diet. E-A-T, eat. Children, you may think of few more new words. Let's move to our next question. Name the following. Who plunged deep into the sea? Come on, children, tell me. Yes, the sea monster. Who ordered the men to set sail immediately? Yes, the captain of the ship. Who did not drown in the sea? Yes, Sindbad. Very good, children. That's it for today. For written work, please refer Assignment 1 and Assignment 2. We will meet again in our next class. Till then, keep reading, take care, and stay safe.